Okay, the graph of lines K1 and K2 are shown on the grid below. Which system of equations best represents the graph? Okay, so remember, you can type all of these into your graphing and just double check them. All right, so we're gonna go on, new graph, and then we're gonna hit delete 6, and then we're gonna type in the first one. 3x minus y equals 2. And then we're gonna hit tab, and it brings up relation 2. So we're gonna hit 4x plus 9y equals 36. And that's gonna give you the other graph. Okay, that one looks pretty good, all right? So it's crossing in the right quadrant. It looks to be pretty darn close. So we're gonna go ahead and check this guy off. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to graph B. All right, so the easiest thing to do, I think, is just to start over because it clears out all your graphing. Okay, delete 6, and then we just type it in. 3x minus y equals 6. And then we hit tab, and then we do 4x plus 9y equals 36. And there we have that. Okay, so that's also in the same quadrant. It looks kind of close. So maybe we need to start tracing our intersection points. So if we do menu, trace, and maybe it's not trace, maybe it's geometry. Oh, it's an analyze graph. And then you want to go down to do intersection. And then as long as you're to the left of the point, you hit enter, scroll to the right, and then hit enter. And it tells you that you're at 2.9, 2.7. So you're at 2.9 and then 2.7. So that one's not quite exactly where we want it. So I'm going to go ahead and give it an X for not having the right point. All right, and let's go ahead and check A while we're at it. Okay, so we're going to do x minus 3y equals negative 18. And then you want to do tab, and you want to do 9x plus 4y equals 9. And then, now we can obviously see that this one is crossing way over here in the wrong quadrant, so we can totally get rid of C. And then new document, no, graphing, delete 6, and then we'll type in x plus y equals 10, tab, and then we'll type in 9x plus 4y equals 13. And you can see that this intersection is going to be somewhere way over here, not in quadrant 1 where we want it. So we can go ahead and get rid of this picture. So most likely our answer choice is A, but let's go back and double check that. Okay, 3x minus y equals 2, and then we're going to do tab, and then we do 4x plus 9y equals 36. And then menu, analyze graph, number 4, intersection. And then you just want to be on the left of it, hit enter, scroll to the right, hit enter. And it's saying that our intersection is at 1.7 and 3.2. So then this is going to be 1.7 and then 3.2. That's way hold on, 1.7 and 3.2. That's exactly where we want it. Now it's going up to 4. So that means our answer choice has to be A.